Hi guys, I'm Manha. I'm 6 years old. My baby sister Aisha, she's 2 years old. So here we are going to Center Island with my cousin. So guys, do you know that we took from Toronto Island a ferry to Center Island? So in Center Island it was so much fun, but the ferry was fun too. It's a beautiful view, guys. Isn't it? Tell me in the comments. Hey, we reached Center. So guys, here's some flowers that you open and you can sit in it, and it also spins around if you like. So guys, you know Aisha's going to Skyline View in Center Island, and also she was so happy there. They were celebrating her birthday there, that she was doing it, going around, and now we're taking so much pictures. So, do you guys know that Aisha loves water? She says, take off my shoes and let's go in the water. We had so much fun in the water. Look at the view. Isn't it so pretty? You can even see also you can see the tower that's so pretty. It's called the CN Tower. So guys, we played a game there. Aisha was so happy. So guys, we are going on a boat ride, and the boat ride is like a water slide that you go splashing down. Aisha was so sad that she could not go. We noticed that she could not go. It's too dangerous for her. So guys, you can see we're going on the roller coaster now. So I'm second. See, it's fun. So we went on the chairlift, and I went with my mom. It was like fun. That was so much fun. Now we're gonna find a picnic spot to eat because we were so hungry. So guys, we found a picnic spot, and then we laid our mat, and then my dad, first thing he put out was the watermelon, and then we got sandwiches. So guys, you know now we're playing cricket, and we're playing with a ball because everyone is running, and then we were looking at a map where to go next. Then we blow some bubbles because Aisha loved bubbles. Aisha's favorite part was water splash pad. Aisha loves water, and when she sees water, she jumps right into it. Aisha enjoyed so much, and we enjoyed so much too. So guys, we had so much fun here. Now it's time to go back. So guys, if you like our video, please subscribe us and follow us. We love traveling. Explore the world with us. Guys, look at the view from the ferry. It's so beautiful. So guys, everyone is upstairs except for Musa and Aisha. They were downstairs with both of their dads. They were also looking at the view and they were also enjoying.
Musa, Aisha, what the?
So guys, we found a cycle, so we made pictures, and I too. And then we went to the parking to go to in our cars and then drive home.